Hello kids! Today we will see how water transforms. Remember that we have three states of water: solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas or water vapor. Water changes according to the temperature. Remember that increasing temperature means hotter and decreasing means cooler temperature. Physical state of water changes with temperature. If we have an ice and the temperature increases, that ice will become water. And if we have water and the temperature increases, then water becomes gas. It happens the same with cooler temperature. Water also changes. Gas exposed to cooler or decreasing temperature will change into its liquid form, and water exposed to cooler or decreasing temperature will transform in ice, will become solid. Now it's time for you to make these observations and to do an experiment. What do you need? You need a plate, ice cubes, and a watch. What will you do? You need to choose a warm place for the experiment, like your balcony or yard. You will put the ice cubes on the plate at 1 p.m. The time is very important. Make sure that it is at 1 p.m. Leave the experiment and come back at 2 p.m. Make observations. What happened to the ice? Leave again and come back at 4 p.m. What happened? Make observations and complete the worksheet attached on Google Classroom. Okay? See you.